Hey guys! Today what we're gonna do?
Set up the lights.
Yeah, how I train my boyfriend?
No, it's nice.
Before that, I need to clarify. I'm not the one who came up with the name, how to train your boyfriend. He is the one who came up with the name.
Hey, why are we talking about this?
I have no intention to train my boyfriend. He has a intention to train himself. So today, I'm gonna train my boyfriend. No, I'm just kidding. He's gonna help me with the fairy light. Actually, we just need 3 things.
20 decorating clips with double-sided tapes from 3M. String curtain fairy lights with 2-pin plug and this controller.
Also the wipes. Why do we need the wipes? Because we need the wipes to wipe the wall. Just make sure the wall has no dust. If it's too dusty, it's really hard for these clips to stick on it.
Who said that?
Based on my experience. Without further ado, let's start. Let's untangle this. Oh my god. Where should we start?
This is.
You start from
Oh wait.
you just take out
You
everything.
okay? Take out.
So the light actually is like this, you know? Do you see something like this?
Huh? So wait, you're not going to open this.
No, don't need. I guess.
So you have a bunch of small balls of light.
It's like this.
Wow.
Okay, instead from here all the way, maybe we can do so long, huh? Sure.
And we're going to open this one later.
Yeah. We just need to hang this.
Okay. Awesome.
Cool.
Awesome.
Easy.
Yep.
Danny don't like the troubles. Let's go.
I thought walls don't get dirty.
Oh.
The dust cannot stick.
This is what we're gonna do. Is like I'm gonna give you this, and then you're gonna stick on it. So here, this is the hook. Make sure you stick like this instead of like this. Okay? This I will give you like this, then you just stick. Okay? So this is how we're gonna do it. And you usually need to fold this. So it will break. They'll give you this double side tape. You just pull. And it will be like this. Then remove one of the side. Stick on it. Like this. Then you remove another side. There you go.
This is horrible right here. The angle is bad.
Can I help? Okay, wait. Are you ready? I'm ready.
Okay, we tuck it under the bed first.
Are you ready? We should have this before we sleep.
Disco.
Is it gonna dim? This is my favorite.
By the way, this is on all the time.
These are so beautiful.
So for sleeping, I think
This one.
this
Can we try to turn off the light?
is so nice.
So this is the lighting that we got. How do you think? We worked together to get this done.
It was mostly me.
Really? How do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
Just now Danny was saying, wow, actually it's quite tiring, but it's easy.
It's simple, but it's really nice.
I think so. It's very romantic. What do you feel about this?
I think it's very relaxing, very calming.
Why I would set up this one? When I was freshman, I was staying in the dorm. Almost like in every room of my hallway, they would put up these Christmas lights, and some of them call it fairy lights. And I think it's so beautiful, it's so pretty. After I moved out from the dorm, when I have my own room, I will set up these lights every time I move to a new room. I'll do it again, and that's how I got these skills. You have to wipe the walls, you have to get this kind of hook. I hope it does help you guys. If you guys like, maybe sometimes before the proposal, if you want to propose to your girlfriend, I think you guys should do this. Finally, someone get his ice cream. I don't think he wants to talk anymore because I got this for him just as a reward after the hard work. Do you like it? Is it good?
Yeah.